guys, my simple outfit for today. I really love it. Ayan, pack na pack siya guys. Ayan. Ayan, for only 50 pesos guys, the crop top. The cup. Ayan. For only 50 pesos. Ayan, pack na pack siya guys yung kanyang likuran. Oh. Ayan. I really love it. I really love it guys. Ayan. Oh. I buy it for only 50 pesos. It's a pambahay outfit, guys. Pambahay outfit. Ayan. It's a shoulder, ano siya. Off shoulder siya, guys. Ayan. I really love it. Part nila natin siya ng, ng high-waist na shorts. Lang. Pack na pack yan siya, guys. Ayan. My simple outfit for today. I really love it. Ayan. Pack na pack siya guys. Look at my back. My back. Yan. Look. My body is shaping now. Every day doing exercises guys. Just doing like this. Doing like this guys, just to shape my my hips, just to hip. Yeah. Yan. Next side there. Yeah. Yan. Only my belly guys. My problem is only my belly. I need to flat my belly. Just why doing exercises like this to flat my belly, my tummy. I count 1 to 100 guys every day doing like this. And guys, nihingal na agad ako guys. This one I need to flat. Yeah. I have abs here, but only here. I need to flat this, my tummy. Ra-pa-pam, pam-pam. Ra-pa-pam, pam-pam. Ayan. Nakakaano naman tong cortina to. Yung aking cortina, nililipad ng hangin. Sagabal sa aking pag-i-exercise guys. Ayan, so medyo nag-shape na yung aking likod guys. Look. So that's it for today.